So today's lesson, very quick one. This is just going to test out what I can and can't do with the screen recorder and whatnot. Is oopsies, pop, on right triangles. Very poorly drawn right triangles. You know what? Am I going to have to get the ruler out for this? I think I might. This is already going so badly. Alright. So now, 90. Swoosh. And let's connect those somewhere. Badoom. So as you can already tell, this is at a 35-degree angle. From the little protractor thingy on there. Boom. Alright, so we are boom, almost ready to go. Right triangle, 35 degrees according to the little protractor. So, what can we say about this triangle? Well, what can we find out? We can find out this angle and this side, right? So you have 1, 2, 3 angles, and you'll have all 3 sides, which is pretty much all you're ever going to really need to know about a triangle. So first, when you have the 2 legs of a triangle and you need to find the hypotenuse, you're going to use a squared plus b squared equals c squared, which is also known as the Pythagorean theorem, which pretty useful. Not as useful as you think though. So this is side A, side B, hypotenuse is always side C. So we're just going to put in 6 and 8 for A and B, which is 6 squared plus 8 squared equals C squared. 6 squared is 36, 8 squared is 64 equals C squared. Those add up to 100. Now what we're going to do here is have this. Perfect. What we're going to do, C squared equals 100. You can take the square root of both sides to get rid of the exponent right in there. And when we do that, that is going to cancel out with this. And this is going to become 10. So this right here is 10. Now, this triangle, the 6, 8, 10, is a variation of the 3, 4, 5 triangle. It's just upscaled a bit, which is a special right triangle and has certain properties that we'll talk about later. But for now, it's just an easy way to think. If you have a triangle with sides 3 and 4, you know the last one's going to be 5. If you have 6, 8, 10, 9, 12, etc., you'll be able to figure out the side lengths pretty easy. So let's erase some of this real quick. What else do we have to find? I almost kind of hate how this does it. Okay. Need to find that right there. So all, excuse my handwriting, interior angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if we have a 35-degree angle, and this box always represents a 90-degree angle, 90 plus 35 plus, we don't really know, equals 180 degrees. So what we can do, simple algebra, going to be 180 minus 90 minus 35, right? Because you're subtracting 90, subtracting 35 from both sides, minus 90 minus 35, which equals, let me grab the old calculator on my phone. And stuff is falling off my desk. Perfect. 55. Forgive me if I am wrong. I do have fat fingers. So that is 55 degrees. Don't know why that slides. Now we have a triangle that is boom, boom, boom. 10, 8, 6 with a, what is that? 55 and 35 degree angle. That's a 3. Perfect. Didn't know that you could do that. That's pretty much all you need to know. That is how you find sides and angles with that information.